Oh my goodness. What is up, y'all? It is CJ Moto and I am back. It's been a while. It's been a few days. I just took the weekend off making videos. You know, it's kind of hard to make videos when your bike's like in Taiwan or whatever, you know. I bought this Super 73 to make some amazing content, and I am going to do that. But in the meantime, we're just going to have to settle for mediocre content because, and by the way, I do appreciate everyone spending time with me. I really do. It's awesome. The channel finally got monetized, which I'm super excited about. If you guys ever have any questions about starting a YouTube channel or something like that, hit me up. I'll be totally transparent about it. It's pretty cool. It's fun. It takes a lot of time and dedication and consistency, very similar to anything else in life. But yeah, so Super 73, some cool news from one of the guys on the forums. I've actually found out that people are already installing the 10-speed drivetrain. So let me explain this to you a little bit. I'm sure you already understand, but on the front, you have your crank on the front of the Super 73. RX and also the S2 and the R. You have your front crank. It just has a single chain ring, so you don't have to worry about that at all. I mean, you might change the gearing on that at some point, but it's just a single front chain ring. So the rear, which is actually really cool because you don't have to worry about having your derailleur and all that set up. So you just have a shifter on your right hand, which is where your throttle's at, so you have your shifter on the same hand. Your left hand, you're not going to have to worry about another shifter for the front derailleur. Now your rear derailleur on your back tire, that's what this bike doesn't come with. It just comes with a single speed on the back. Well, there's already a gentleman in Canada that went ahead and had his buddy install the Shimano. It's called the CS-M6000. And what it actually is the Deore, Shimano Deore. I think it's called Deore or Deore M6000. And it's going to be your 10-speed group set. So you're going to want to have your rear derailleur. You're going to want to have your shifter, and then you also, he did say you have to get a 2mm Freehub Spacer, okay? And you got to get 2 lengths of chain. I'll put the part numbers for everything in the description of this video, so that way if you decide you want to do the Shimano group set, which is very highly recommended. I'll also link another video in the description to this video from an expert mountain bike rider, well known on YouTube, that loves Shimano Deore. I'm talking for like downhill mountain bike racing. So it is a mountain bike group set, so it's going to hold up to rain, dirt, all the stuff. It'll hold up to more than your Super 73 will probably hold up to with all the electronic components and stuff like that. But the chain specially designed, it's like a one direction chain. So make sure you get the right chain. Make sure you get all the part numbers that are going to be in the description to this video. And if any new information comes out or if you have anything to add, please comment. I will verify the information and then I'll add it to the parts list on the description of this video. So that way you guys can come to this video as a one-stop shop if you want to know what you need to get for your Super 73 as far as your 10-speed drivetrain, because Super 73 has not came out with this information for us. Why? I don't know. It would be pretty cool to just say, hey, we're having supply chain issues, but if you want to get this stuff, then here's the part numbers. But they're pretty tight-lipped on that. So anyhow, I have the information. We're going to list it to this video, and then you guys can have your 10-speed. So what's it going to do? Is it going to make your bike faster? I don't believe it's really going to make your top speed any different. And the reason for that is the type of, because this is a hub motor on this bike, so the hub is actually what's driving your speed. It has nothing to do with your derailleur. It has nothing to do with the gearing on the bike. Now what it will allow you to do is help out the bike. So when you're doing pedal assist, you can like pedal higher. You can pedal with more torque basically in the higher speed range. So around 30 miles an hour, you might actually be able to add another mile per hour or 2. So you might be able to get a little more speed, but overall it's just going to give the ability to have a wide range, a 10-speed range to assist this bike. So it's going to give you definitely a longer battery life. It's It's going to give you longer range. It's just going to be really nice. And it's a really smooth shifting system. Very nice. But yeah, that's super exciting. I've been seeing these things. You also want to get your, don't forget to get your cable for it. But I mean, if you get the 10-speed Shimano Deore, the CS-M 6000, you go ahead and order all the parts that you can get together. If you're missing any little things here or there, your local bike shop's going to be able to help you out. Just get the bits and pieces and do the best you can. If you don't feel comfortable assembling it, go to your bike shop. I'm sure they're not going to charge that much. The trick is to bring them all the parts, because then what? They're not going to upcharge you on the parts. You could shop around, find what you want, and then you bring them a whole kit of stuff and then have them install it. So I'll probably be installing mine myself and videotaping it and stuff like that, but it's going to be a little while. So if you're on one of the first few shipments, you're going to be able to beat me to the punch on this. But there's also nothing wrong, and don't get me wrong, I may decide to just hold off and not do the gearing upgrade and just see how it is with the stock, because I might just get it stock and just love it. And if that's the case, I'll have less things to adjust. I'll have less weight, and it'll just be all right. You know, it's one of those things you can always add it. Once you buy it, you can take it off, but you're not going to really want to. So if I don't feel like I need it, then I might not do it. I don't know that I'm going to order it right off I don't know if I'm going to have it waiting. What I am going to definitely get is some nice pedals, some race face pedals, and I'm also going to get some cool hand grips. But anyhow, yeah, I don't think this bike's going to need a whole lot. I think it's going to be freaking dialed right out of the box. I think it's going to be very, very pleasant. So anyhow, if y'all want to talk about anything else, just let me know. I'm here for you guys. I enjoy talking to you guys. I just really enjoy sitting here and shooting the shit. I want to do a live video soon. So if you guys have any preference for times you want me to do a live video, let me know. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. CJ Moto out. Y'all have a good night. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. It is free to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I have more great content. CJ Moto out.